Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you all with me today because we are about to embark on an incredible journey together. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time cruiser, there's always something new to learn and experience. So let's dive right in and make the most of this adventure. Listen, you've booked that cruise, you've been dreaming about it for months, and you finally set sail. The anticipation has been building up, and now the moment is here. As you step onto that magnificent ship, you can feel the excitement in the air. The hustle and bustle of fellow travelers, the sound of the ocean waves, and the sight of the ship's grandeur all come together to create an unforgettable experience. But before you get lost in the beauty of it all, there are a few things you need to know to ensure your trip is smooth sailing from the get-go. First things first, you gotta make that cabin feel like home. Your cabin is your sanctuary for the duration of the cruise, so it's important to get it organized and comfortable right away. Unpack your bags, arrange your belongings, and maybe even add a few personal touches to make the space truly yours. Trust me, a little bit of effort in the beginning goes a long way in making your stay more enjoyable. Plus, knowing where everything is will save you time and stress later on. So stick around because in this video, I'm sharing my top 15 tips to totally rock your first day on a cruise ship. From must-do activities to insider secrets, I've got you covered. We'll talk about everything from the best places to eat, to how to navigate the ship, to making the most of the onboard entertainment. Whether you're looking to relax by the pool, explore the ship's amenities, or dive into some exciting excursions, these tips will help you make the most of every moment. And don't worry, I've got some great advice for avoiding common pitfalls too. Let's set sail on this awesome adventure together. There's so much to see and do, and I can't wait to share it all with you. From the breathtaking sunsets to the endless ocean views, every moment on a cruise ship is a chance to create lasting memories. So grab your sunscreen, put on your adventure hat, and let's make this trip one for the books. Stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Alright, picture this. You walk into your cabin, the ocean breeze is flowing, and you're ready to jump on that bed. But wait, before you dive into relaxation mode, there are a few things you need to double-check to ensure your stay is as comfortable as possible. The bed setup in your cabin can make or break your cruise experience, so let's make sure everything is just right. First things first, take a good look at the bed arrangement. Is it exactly what you booked? Sometimes, due to various reasons, the bed configuration might not be what you expected. You might have booked a king-size bed, but find two twin beds pushed together instead. Or perhaps you wanted separate beds and got a single large one. These details matter, especially if you're sharing the cabin with someone else. Now, let's talk specifics. Is it a king? Is it two twins pushed together? You gotta know. The difference between a king-size bed and two twin beds can be significant. A king-size bed offers a seamless sleeping surface, perfect for couples who want to snuggle up. On the other hand, two twin beds pushed together might have a noticeable gap in the middle, which can be uncomfortable for some. If you prefer a certain setup, it's crucial to check this right away. If something's off, don't even hesitate. Call up guest services or tell your cabin attendant. They've got you covered. The staff on cruise ships are usually very accommodating and will do their best to rectify any issues. Whether it's rearranging the beds, providing extra pillows, or even changing your cabin if necessary, they are there to ensure your comfort. Remember, it's your vacation, and you deserve to have everything just the way you like it. Another thing to consider is the quality of the bedding. Cruise lines often pride themselves on providing luxurious bedding to enhance your sleep experience. Check the sheets, pillows, and blankets. Are they clean and comfortable? If you have any allergies or specific preferences, don't hesitate to ask for hypoallergenic options or additional blankets. A good night's sleep is essential for enjoying all the activities and excursions the cruise has to offer. Personal touches can also make a big difference. Some cruise lines offer welcome amenities like chocolates on your pillow, personalized notes, or even small gifts. These little extras can make your stay feel more special and welcoming. Take a moment to appreciate these touches and let the staff know if there's anything else that could enhance your experience. They are there to make your stay as enjoyable as possible. Don't forget to check the room's amenities as well. Adjustable lighting, climate control, and other features can significantly impact your comfort. Make sure you know how to use these controls to create the perfect environment for relaxation. If you're unsure about anything, the cabin attendant can provide a quick tutorial. After all, a comfortable and well-adjusted room can make your cruise experience even more memorable. Lastly, take some time to unpack and organize your belongings. A well-organized cabin can make your stay more pleasant and stress-free. Utilize the closet space, drawers, and any other storage options available. Keeping your cabin tidy will help you feel more at home and allow you to fully relax and enjoy your vacation. Plus, it makes it easier to find everything you need without rummaging through your suitcase. So, before you jump on that bed and start your vacation, double-check everything to ensure your cabin is perfect. From the bed setup to the room amenities, every detail counts. Once everything is in order, you can truly relax and enjoy the beautiful ocean views, the gentle rocking of the ship, and all the wonderful experiences that await you on your cruise. Happy sailing! Okay, next up, let's talk valuables. We're talking passports, cash, that lucky rabbit's foot you bring on every trip. You don't want that stuff wandering off. Find that safe in your cabin. It's like a secret hiding spot. Stash your precious cargo in there, lock it up tight, and boom, peace of mind achieved. Now this is important. Your cabin attendant. This is your go-to guru, your cabin whisperer. Introduce yourself, be nice, maybe even slip in a little thank you. It goes a long way. Need extra towels? Ice bucket overflowing? Your cabin attendant is there for all of it. Treat them right, they'll treat you right. Let's talk about the mini bar, that magical place with tiny drinks and snacks that somehow cost a fortune. Are you going to use it? Or are you like me, and you want to fill it with your own goodies? If so, ask your cabin attendant to empty that thing out. It's your own personal snack station at sea. Okay, this one sounds silly, but trust me, those hangers in the closet, they can get noisy when the ship is rocking and rolling. So here's the plan. Take any extra hangers and stash them under the bed or at the bottom of the closet. Quiet cabin, happy cruiser. All right, time to unleash your inner tech wizard. Get all those gadgets and accessories you brought set up. Universal adapter? Check. Magnetic hooks for more storage? Check. A portable disco ball? Hey, I don't judge. The key is to get organized and make your cabin your own little paradise. Okay, let's talk temperature. You want your cabin to be your perfect oasis, right? So as soon as you settle in, check that thermostat. Too hot, too cold, just right? Get it dialed in. And while you're at it, make sure that AC is blowing like a champ. If not, call up guest services, they'll get you sorted out. Alright, I know, safety stuff isn't the most exciting, but this is important. That muster drill video on your cabin TV? Watch it. This isn't the time for channel surfing. It tells you everything you need to know in case of an emergency. Safety first, folks. Before you unpack a single sock, grab your phone or camera and snap some pics or even a video of your cabin. This does two things. One, it's fun to look back on. And two, if you need to report any damage, you've got proof. It's like a before and after for your vacation. Okay, this one is for all my inside cabin cruisers out there. Find that ship's webcam channel on your TV. It's like having a virtual window to the world. You can watch the waves, see the ports you're going to. It's oddly addicting. This might seem obvious, but give everything a quick test drive. Lights, TV remote, fridge, that fancy balcony door. Make sure it all works. You don't want any surprises later on, right? If something's wonky, let guest services know. Alright, in today's world, we gotta stay charged up, right? So play detective and find all those power outlets and USB ports in your cabin. You don't want to be hunting for them later when your phone's about to die. It's time to unleash those clothes and get settled in. Unpack that suitcase, find a home for everything, and if you're feeling really fancy, ask your cabin attendant to store your empty suitcase. More space for you. Every cruise line has its own way for you to communicate with your cabin attendant. Some have those door hanger things, others have switches. Learn how it works. It's like having a secret code for extra towels or a morning coffee delivery. Okay, you've done it. Cabin is set up, you've met your cabin BFF, it's time to chill. Grab that daily schedule, see what's happening, and start planning out your awesome vacation. Remember, you're on cruise time now. Relax and enjoy the ride. And there you have it, folks. 15 tips to make that first day on your cruise unforgettable. From packing the essentials to making the most of the onboard activities, these tips are designed to ensure you have a seamless and enjoyable experience. Whether it's your first time cruising or you're a seasoned traveler, there's always something new to learn. Cruises offer a unique way to explore the world, combining the luxury of a floating hotel with the excitement of visiting multiple destinations. So let's dive deeper into how you can make the most of your time on board. I hope these tips help you have the smoothest, most amazing cruise ever. Remember, preparation is key. Start by researching your cruise line and the specific ship you'll be sailing on. Each ship has its own unique features and amenities, so knowing what to expect can help you plan accordingly. Once on board, take some time to explore the ship. Familiarize yourself with the layout, locate important areas like dining rooms, pools, and entertainment venues. This will save you time and make your experience more enjoyable. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends and family who might be planning a cruise. Sharing is caring, and you never know who might benefit from these tips. Also, consider joining online cruise communities and forums. These platforms are a treasure trove of information and can provide you with insider tips and tricks from fellow cruisers. Engaging with these communities can enhance your cruise experience and help you make new friends along the way. Subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting travel experiences to share with you. From exotic destinations to hidden gems, my goal is to inspire you to explore the world and make the most of your travels. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about my latest videos, travel tips, and destination guides. So join our community of travel enthusiasts and let's embark on this journey together. And leave a comment down below with your best cruise tip. I love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Your tips and stories not only help me, but also benefit the entire community. Whether it's a packing hack, a must-try activity, or a dining recommendation, your insights are invaluable. So, don't be shy, share your wisdom, and let's create a space where we can all learn and grow as travelers. Your feedback is what makes this channel great, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, happy cruising. May your journeys be filled with adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be explored. So, keep an open mind, embrace new experiences, and cherish every moment. Whether you're sailing the high seas or exploring new lands, always travel with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more travel adventures with you soon. Bon voyage!